Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today I have this super cool flamingo and a DIY background. We are using Grow and Grace for the sentiment, Nuvo drops, pink ink, and the flamingo from the July Kit of the Month. We are die cutting a rectangle from this frame. Next, we're going to be using a thick washi tape, and I like to touch the washi tape before I place it so it's not super sticky and it does not pull my cardstock. Once that is ready to go, I am going to blend some of the It's a Girl, which is just a really light pink ink, onto the exposed parts of that cardstock. Once that's done, I'm going to pull very carefully the washi tape, and don't pull up, be sure to pull to the side. I have my pre-stamped and pre-colored flamingo from the July Kit of the Month. I'm going to hand cut it. Next, I'm going to place that background that I had created earlier onto my card base, and using some foam adhesive, I am placing some foam onto the back of that flamingo and placing in the center of the card. Using the sentiment from Grow and Grace, I am stamping that inside of the card, and we are ready for embellishment. Using some pink Nuvo drops, I am adding a ton of drops around the flamingo. When you have a little mistake, just pull it up with a spoon and wipe it down. Now, to give the flamingo a little more sparkle, I am adding metallic silver sequins from Pretty Pink Posh, and I am adhering these with clear Nuvo drops. And that does it for my card using the July Kit of the Month and the Grow and Grace stamp set. Thank you so much for joining me today on this super fast tutorial of DIY background and the Kit of the Month. Please leave a sweet comment below and a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Have an awesome day.